We are Onyx Imaging. We are the highest rated and most reviewed printer service center in Oklahoma.
Hi, my name is John with Onyx Imaging. Today we're going to take a look at this Epson Workforce WF7710 printer. And we're going to show you how to clean the scanner glass. Now the reason we're going to clean the scanner glass is we've noticed that whenever we're making copies or scans, we've been getting lines and blemishes on our pages. And that's going to indicate there's something dirty on the scanner glass. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and open up the top of the scanner here. Now when you do that, you'll notice there's actually two separate pieces of glass. You have a large flatbed scanner for doing your face-down copies, and then you have the smaller strip of glass here on the left side of the printer. And what that's for is whenever you're using this top document feeder doing any kind of copying or scanning, all that's being done on that small strip of glass here on the left. So depending on when you're noticing those blemishes occurring, whether it's from when you're doing the face-down copies or you're using the top document feeder, that's going to tell you which piece of glass you need to focus most of your cleaning on. So that's just a good troubleshooting tip for you. After that, the cleaning supplies you need to have: a lint-free cloth, your favorite glass cleaner. If you don't have something like glass cleaner available, you can use something like rubbing alcohol, but glass cleaner is definitely preferred. And then the biggest tip I can give you is to please always apply your cleaner directly to your cloth, never to the glass on the printer. If you apply your cleaner directly to the glass on the printer, you run a really high risk of the cleaner seeping underneath the glass, and that can cause a lot more problems than you started with. So please always apply your cleaner directly to your cloth, not to the glass on the printer. And then after that, we're just going to go ahead and use our cloth, and we're going to wipe down the glass, removing any kind of dust, dirt, fingerprints, any kind of ink buildup, whiteout buildup, anything like that. It's all really common to find on the scanner. And also keep in mind that things like ink buildup and whiteout buildup can be pretty stubborn, so you're going to have to go over those spots a few more times. So just go over everything until you're happy with the way everything looks. Give it one last final visual inspection. Make sure you don't see anything remaining on the glass. Once you're happy with the way everything looks, I would recommend doing a test copy or a test scan to make sure you're completely happy with the way everything looks. If everything looks good, then you're good to go. If you're still getting slight blemishes, that's going to indicate there's still something on that scanner glass that just needs to be cleaned a little bit more. Just repeat that cleaning process and that should take care of it. If you have any questions or concerns, please feel free to reach out to Onyx. We'd love to help answer any of those for you. Also, if there's any way we can help supply with any of your printer office supply needs, please feel free to reach out to Onyx. We'd love to help supply this for you as well. We hope you have a great day and you're back up and running. Thank you.
Thank you for watching. If you're interested in how you can receive free labor on all of your service calls, as well as how to qualify for free printer upgrades, contact us today. We are here for all of your printer and office supply needs.